Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specs, and insights into the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mack Granite Truck, a heavy-duty workhorse designed to tackle the toughest jobs with precision and reliability. This truck has long been a favorite among professionals in construction and other demanding industries, and the 2025 model brings several upgrades that make it even more appealing. Starting with the design, the 2025 Mack Granite features a bold and functional exterior. The robust frame and durable materials ensure that it can handle heavy loads with ease, while its aerodynamic enhancements contribute to better fuel efficiency. The cab has been updated with a modern yet practical layout, providing improved visibility and easy access to controls. The spacious interior is built with the operator in mind, offering premium seating, advanced climate control, and noise reduction features for a more comfortable experience during long shifts. Under the hood, the Mack Granite is powered by the Mack MP series engines, delivering the perfect blend of power and efficiency. The standard engine options include both MP7 and MP8 configurations, allowing buyers to choose the powertrain that best suits their needs. These engines are known for their reliability, impressive torque output, and compliance with the latest emission standards. The 12-speed MDRIVE transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, enhancing performance while reducing driver fatigue. With a high-capacity cooling system and advanced fuel-saving technologies, this truck is built for long-term performance and durability. When it comes to payload and versatility, the Mack Granite doesn't disappoint. It offers a variety of chassis options to accommodate different applications, from dump trucks to mixers and beyond. The reinforced steel frame and customizable axle configurations make it a top choice for businesses that require flexibility and strength. Advanced suspension systems provide superior stability and handling, even on uneven terrain. Safety is a key focus of the 2025 Mack Granite. Equipped with features like electronic stability control, rollover protection, and an advanced braking system, this truck ensures maximum safety for the driver and those around it. Optional driver assistance features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control further enhance safety and convenience. The LED lighting system improves visibility during night operations, while the intelligent telematics system keeps operators connected with real-time diagnostics and performance monitoring. The 2025 Mack Granite continues to build on its legacy as a reliable and powerful truck that can meet the demands of any heavy-duty job. Its combination of rugged performance, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful design makes it a standout option in its class. Thank you for tuning into Automotive Reviews TV, where we bring you the latest updates and reviews on the vehicles that drive your business forward. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for